Okay, so I'm playing Chicken Elevation, and I'm trying to get one of these, another one. So I have to like connect all these, make bigger ones, and then eventually I can get one of these. So yeah, let's get to it. So the whole idea is to get one of those by the end of this episode. So yeah. So I'm just trying to get these all connected just to get that one chicken. I have never seen it, so it's gonna be like not only a surprise for me but for everyone else, I guess. So yeah, I'm trying to get. So I have one of these right here. I just need to connect those. As you can see, if I connect one of these guys with this, then I can make a bigger one. So, yeah. It might be like a little cheating in here, but it's all good, I hope. So, yeah. See now, if I go to the mountains, I will have one of these, and then I can make one of these. So, yeah. So, as I continue this, oh yeah, and also shout out to, well, not shout out, but go subscribe to Colton Vetter. He has a YouTube channel, too. He's like a scooter, he's a kid too. He's a scooter and a vlogger and like a gamer. So yeah. Should I? Nah, I'm gonna do it.